Okay, so this is TradeShark Trading Tips. Each day I'll go through the day's matches, the main tour matches, so all ATP and WTA, and I will look in detail at each one, come up with information and write some notes that I refer to myself during the trading session, and that's what gets sent out as the Trading Tips service. So for each match you get all the relevant information, so head to head, recent form, any relevant form in recent months or in the current season, anything that is going to help with decisions during the match and during the trading session. I'll also then give some advice at the end that is going to be useful to actually trade the match, and I'm looking to try and give you and give myself, because I use these as well, a value entry in each market. So I do that for every match. As you can see, there are quite a few this day on the WTA, 16 there. This was Cincinnati 2021. On the ATP tab, 14, so 30 matches altogether. That was all the main tour matches for that day. What else have we got? There's info, an info tab down the bottom that basically gives information on what everything means, and also some advice on how best to use the information. Very quick run across the top what we've got. I use a piece of software called OnCourt to download all the matches, and they do a prediction, an automated prediction. You can put in your own settings, and that's what I've done into OnCourt. So that's my OnCourt settings that are giving that prediction. You got the Windsor set. I used to do a separate Windsor set service. Basically I'm saying that this person is going to win at least one set. You got the player's rank, surface rank, the price on Pinnacle, and then the Betfair price and where I think the price should be myself. Over on the right of the comments you've got my confidence level, that's out of 10. And then something that's been added fairly recently, people were asking for who do I actually think is going to win the match. It would usually be mentioned in the comments, but in case it isn't, we've got a separate indicator of who I think is going to win. And we've got that for every match, every day, 7 days a week. So a lot of value on there. Been doing this a long time. Hit rate's pretty good. As I've said a couple of times already, I genuinely use these notes. These are the notes that I do. I have this file open on the laptop during every trading session, and I will not start trading a match without referring to this document. The only other thing I want to point out is that there's a little backup if for whatever reason the email doesn't reach you, or I don't know, what else could it be, you deleted it by mistake and can't find it, whatever the reason that you can't get to the email, there's a subscriber page. If you go to the blog, and it's any of the blog pages, go right down to the bottom and you can see there trading emails, subscriber links. If you click that, you can only get access to this if you subscribe to the service, and you can see there's the download link that you would have had in the email if you'd received that. I think that's everything. If you've got any questions about the service, please drop me an email, and look forward to seeing you sign up.